React has revolutionized the way we build user interfaces on the web, and it has become a fundamental skill for front-end developers. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why React is so important for every front-end developer and how it can benefit you. First of all, React is a JavaScript library that allows you to build reusable and composable UI components. This means you can create complex UIs by breaking them down into smaller, simpler components. By doing this, you can improve the maintainability, scalability, and reusability of your code, which is crucial in building large-scale applications. One of the biggest advantages of React is that it is a declarative framework. In other words, you tell React what you want to achieve, and it takes care of the rest. This makes it easier to reason about the code, as you don't have to worry about managing the state of your application manually. React also provides a virtual DOM, which is a lightweight representation of the actual DOM, and allows React to efficiently update only the parts of the UI that need to change. Another reason why React is important for front-end developers is that it is a popular and widely used framework. It has a large and active community, which means there are plenty of resources, tools, and libraries available to help you build your applications. This also means that there are plenty of job opportunities for developers who have experience with React. React also has a strong focus on performance. It uses a technique called reconciliation to efficiently update the DOM, and it provides tools like the React Profiler to help you identify performance bottlenecks in your code. This is particularly important for front-end developers, as performance is a crucial factor in delivering a great user experience. React also has a strong ecosystem of tools and libraries that can help you build applications more quickly and easily. For example, there are libraries like Redux for managing application state, React Router for handling routing, and Style Components for styling your components with CSS and JS. These tools can help you write better code, faster, and with fewer bugs. Finally, React is constantly evolving and improving. The React team is always working on new features and improvements, and the community is always contributing new ideas and solutions. This means that React is a framework that is constantly improving, and there is always something new to learn and explore. In conclusion, React is an essential tool for front-end developers. It provides a declarative, efficient, and scalable way to build user interfaces, and it has a large and active community that can help you build better applications. Whether you're just starting out in front-end development or you're a seasoned pro, learning React will give you the skills you need to build great applications that deliver a great user experience.